Cardano cost extremely equivalent to $0.3107 a coin in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking. The present exchange cost range, 0.3061-0.3130, or so they sort of thought. The earlier day close, 0.3078, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. The change truly was plus 0.0029, plus 0.94%, sort of additional appearance. How the change in a real sense was plus 0.0029, plus 0.94% incredibly backwards rate. United States dollars to ADA, which sort of is genuinely critical. Cardano value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Cardano cost forecast on Monday, July 31, cost $0.31, sort of most extreme 0.33, really least 0.29 in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. Cardano estimate on Tuesday, August 1, cost $0.31, greatest 0.33, truly least 0.29. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, August 2, cost $0.31, all things considered, greatest 0.33, exceptionally least 0.29, which especially is genuinely critical. Cardano estimate on Thursday, August 3, cost $0.30, most extreme 0.32, genuinely least 0.28 in an unobtrusive way. Cardano value forecast 2023, 2024, 2027 in an unobtrusive way. In multi-week Cardano cost forecast on Friday, August 4, cost $0.31, truly greatest 0.33, by and large least 0.29, which in a real sense is very huge. Cardano gauge on Monday, August 7, cost $0.31, fundamentally most extreme 0.33, kind of least 0.29 in a truly significant manner. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, August 8, cost $0.31, kind of most extreme 0.33, sort of least 0.29, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Cardano estimate on Wednesday, August 9, cost $0.30, really most extreme 0.32, exceptionally least 0.28, which certainly is very critical. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, August 10, cost $0.31, by and large greatest 0.33, truly least 0.29 in a for the most part huge manner. In about 14 days Cardano gauge on Friday, August 11, cost $0.31, for the most part greatest 0.33, certainly least 0.29 in a kind of enormous manner. Cardano cost forecast on Monday, August 14, cost $0.31, exceptionally most extreme 0.33, by and large least 0.29, which sort of is genuinely huge. Cardano figure on Tuesday, August 15, cost $0.30, truly most extreme 0.32, all things considered, least 0.28 in a really significant way. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, August 16, cost $0.30, genuinely greatest 0.32, fundamentally least 0.28, which explicitly is very critical. Cardano gauge on Thursday, August 17, cost $0.28, by and large greatest 0.30, genuinely least 0.26, or so they for the most part thought. In 3 weeks Cardano cost expectation on Friday, August 18, cost $0.32, sort of greatest 0.34, genuinely least 0.30, exhibiting how in multi-week Cardano cost forecast on Friday, August 4, cost $0.31, essentially most extreme 0.33, certainly least 0.29 in a quite enormous way. Cardano conjecture on Monday, August 21, cost $0.32, truly most extreme 0.34, by and large least 0.30, which essentially is genuinely huge. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, August 22, cost $0.33, especially greatest 0.35, for the most part least 0.31, which explicitly is very huge. Cardano estimate on Wednesday, August 23, cost $0.33, beautiful greatest 0.35, certainly least 0.31 in a fundamentally huge way. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, August 24, cost $0.32 in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.34, sort of least 0.30 in a significant way. In about a month, Cardano figure on Friday, August 25, cost $0.33 in every practical sense, greatest 0.35, essentially least 0.31. Cardano cost expectation on Monday, August 28, cost $0.34, sort of greatest 0.36, essentially least 0.32, which sort of is genuinely huge. Cardano conjecture on Tuesday, August 29, cost $0.33, genuinely most extreme 0.35, truly least 0.31, showing how Cardano cost expectation on Monday, August 14, cost $0.31, lovely greatest 0.33, genuinely least 0.29. United States dollars to ADA today. United States dollars to ADA conversion scale, sort of equivalent to 3.2185 coins per $1, showing that Cardano gauge on Monday, August 7, cost $0.31, especially most extreme 0.33, truly least 0.29 in an unpretentious way. Today's reach, 3.1949 3.2669, or so they really thought. The past day's nearby, 3.2489, change for now 0.0304, 0.94%, or so they explicitly thought. Dollar to Cardano estimate on Monday, July 31, cost 3.226 coins, exceptionally greatest 3.448. Sort of least 3.030 in a sort of significant manner. United States dollars to ADA expectation on Tuesday, August 1, cost 3.226 coins, exceptionally most extreme 3.448. Sort of least 3.030, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dollar to Cardano figure on Wednesday, August 2, cost 3.226 coins, by and large greatest 3.448. Extremely least 3.030, showing how in 3 weeks Cardano cost expectation on Friday, August 18, cost $0.32, really most extreme 0.34, truly least 0.30, exhibiting how in multi-week Cardano cost expectation on Friday, August 4, cost $0.31 in every practical sense, greatest 0.33, especially least 0.29. Sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. United States dollars to ADA forecast on Thursday, August 3, costs 3.333 coins, most extreme 3.571, especially least 3.125 in a significant way. In multi-week dollar to Cardano gauge on Friday, August 4, costs 3.226 coins, most extreme 3.448, truly least 3.030, as opposed to mainstream thinking. United States dollars to ADA forecast on Monday, August 7, costs 3.226 coins, truly greatest 3.